guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've pre-mixed the resin here and equaled it into 4 little pots, and as you can see I'm adding some glitter, and I'm going to be making some rainbow glitter fidget spinners, and we're going to be doing blue, gold, green and like a pinky blushy type of colour. So you can see I do add quite a bit of glitter for the simple fact that it normally sinks in resin, and I wanted to make sure there was enough to, so it didn't sink and notice as much and you got like a clear bit. So just put them in, and then I mixed them up off camera, and then I have sped this bit up because I'm adding, a bit of each colour to each little fidget spinner mold, and it took a while, and you can see what I'm doing, whether it's sped up or not, and it was just easier to speed it up, so you don't have to sit there for too long. And I could have done more than 4 colours, but that becomes too much to try and get the colours to fit. So just go around. You can see with the petal flower ones, I did multiple, all 4 colours in each, and then the others I just done solid colours, and I wasn't sure if I'd actually made enough resin, so that is why I'm filling them up bit by bit. So as you can see there, now I know I'm okay, so I can carry on filling up the molds so they're filled up enough. So you can see why I sped this bit up, because it is fidgety and takes its time. But then once I'm done, I just give them a spritz of isopropyl alcohol and then just leave them to dry. There you go, wipe up the mess, and just by magic they are cured and ready to be unmolded, and I'm so happy with how they come out. The glitters go so well. Perfect little fidget spinners for anxious hands, distraction, sensory, stress relief. Nice little stocking filler for Christmas. As I say, I just love how these colours look. Super sparkly. And now to construct them and turn them into actual fidget spinners. So I've got my pieces here, and I've got white and black and the middle bearing piece. Now I must admit I did struggle to get that middle bearing piece in the middle of these, and I did have to do a bit of deburring and filing, but you don't see it because the black and white buttons go over that, so you don't see that part, so it doesn't notice as much. And there is a finished look at that. As you can see, so it just fits in the middle there. And then you get 2 parts, one with a longer bit on it which you poke through, and then just like a clip button, and you just pop it together like so and fidget. So I'll finish the other 2, and thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.